Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 500 horsepower engine with the brand new dart block for our customer's 1962 Chevy Impala. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we started with a brand new dart block. We have the comp cams roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs, correct oil pan on there, one-piece rear main seal. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA in the red with all the wire markers on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice 383 stroker valve covers with the PCV valve and heavy-duty Russell line on there. Aluminum intake manifold, air gap intake manifold. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. Real nice 383 stroker air cleaner with a washable filter. MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important with the firewall clearance on a 62 Impala right there, all set. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the correct standard flywheel on there, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 stroker engine, and the customer's transmission. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bushings installed, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow muscle car series fuel pump with a heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, gas filters on there, braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke, correct thermostat housing for the 62 Impala. Thermostat is installed also. With this real nice polished Raptor serpentine pulley kit on here. AC compressors on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. High flow reverse rotation water pump. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. GM Saginaw power steering pump all set up. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing for you. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so when you put the engine in, you know it is going to be absolutely perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. You can also text us at that number also. So again, our 383 Chevy stroker engine, 500 horsepower engine with a brand new dart block, AFR heads, and comp cams roller lifter cam. Thanks for watching.